Hi, so this is me showing you how, if you're a primary teacher or a secondary teacher struggling to come up with an idea for a primary lesson, how you can use ChatGPT or Copilot to help you save time. So AI is a great way of saving time in the art classroom. It'll never take away our creativity, but definitely it's a time saver. And then it lets you get down to doing the things that you really like doing, which is the learning and teaching part. So if you're a primary teacher and you're stuck for a lesson, you want to use certain materials but you're not sure about a designer or an artist to use, then you can use ChatGPT really quickly or Copilot to give you some inspiration. So I'm typing into Copilot, I'm asking them can they give me a name of 4 different illustrators that would be relevant to use as inspiration in my art lesson. I'm mentioning that I'm a teaching curriculum for excellence because I'm in the Scottish curriculum, and ChatGPT will then respond very quickly with 4 examples for illustrators. So there's my question that I've asked, and very quickly it comes up with these suggestions. So I've asked for 4, so it's given me Beatrix Potter, Eric Carle, Quentin Blake and Sean Tan. And what's nice about this is it also gives you a little description about what these designers' works look like if you're not familiar with them yourself. And then from that, what I would suggest you do is choose one that you think sounds that's like it's going to be really relevant to you and your learners in your classroom, and then go further into ChatGPT or Copilot and ask another question. So here I am, I'm saying that I really like Quentin Blake. For those of you who have read Roald Dahl books, Quentin Blake has beautiful illustrations on all the Roald Dahl books. So here I'm asking, please could you suggest an art lesson, and make sure you say the age and stage, because that will make it a little bit more specific to the learners as well. So I'm going to suggest a primary 4 lesson. I've looked in my cupboard, my art resources, and I've got a class set of watercolours. So can they give me an idea of what to do using watercolours and pen? Could be just like black biro pen or a black pen using watercolour. So here I am asking this question. I wish I could type faster. And then what ChatGPT will do is it will basically give you an all singing dancing lesson plan. Now, when you get these lesson plans, of course, it doesn't teach you how to physically teach it in the classroom. It will set out your learning objectives. It will tell you your materials that you're needing. But what you really need to get to grips with now is the actual learning and the teaching in the classroom. Some of these timeframes will suit your learners. You know your learners best. You'll know their attention spans better. So what I think that this is brilliant for is a starting point. So here it's saying 20 minutes for watercolour. 20 minutes is a long time for primary 4s to concentrate. You know your learners best. Like I say, ChatGPT is a great way of saving time and letting you do the really fun bits, which is the teaching and the learning.